but I can't get down. Even though we got out the way. Hey, oh, that Lord, and I need to call my baby. If she saw what I was doing, she would probably wanna drop me. But I cannot stop right now, cause right now this party got me feeling good. Yeah, this the way I ain't worried about tomorrow, and I'm living life like a brother should. Yeah, tell me we ain't going on. This goes out to all of y'all. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car.
Yeah, load up the choppers like this is in the third verse. Roll up and cock it and hit them niggas where it hurts. Die today, remember me like John Lennon. Barrett and Louis, I'm talking all brown leather,
Big black nigga in an icy watch, shoes on the clock. Count the profits, you can bring them in a Nike box. Burning in my Jordans, kick them off, they might be hot.
Put your knees to the ground, take it down, dig it down, 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 dig it down, dig it down, dig it down. Dip it, all that, dip it, all that, dip it, all that. And you know how I go, like you wet dog, and you wet dog, you wet dog. Girl, you know how I go, like you wet dog, you wet dog, you wet dog.